In this video, you are going to enable dark mode on threads. Unfortunately, there is not a direct option to activate dark mode within threads itself. Currently, threads follows the default mode set on your device. For Android users, here's how you can set it up. Open settings on your mobile. Scroll down and select display, or you can search display in the search bar. Click on display. Toggle on the dark mode option. Now return to the Threads app. You will notice that Threads has adopted the dark mode. This allows you to comfortably navigate through all your threads in the dark mode. By adjusting your device dark mode setting, you can enjoy dark mode in threads. So that's how you can enable dark mode in threads. If you have any question, leave it in comment section, or you can directly contact us on our social media accounts. Don't forget to subscribe for more tech videos.